has been rumors about the coming of maybe government blessing Acholi with municipality as gifts of voting massively in the previous election. As you have seen, NRM performed so well in Acholi sub-region, I think more than any other sub-region in Uganda. Now, people are waiting for municipality. Municipalities that have been talked about, one of it is another one is Batwa municipality that people are waiting for. Several leaders have talked about it. How do you see it coming true? Do you see the dream of this local municipality?
I think that is the wildest dream. It is like being struck by lightning 10 times in a day, the same person. It will not come. When we were in Parliament, we put a moratorium that there will be no more creation of new constituencies and districts. We even faced the opening of new districts and constituencies. Remember that those that were open in 2019, 2022, 2021, we faced them out. Now, this Parliament has 557 MPs. In a country where if you wake up at 6 a.m., you can drive from Kasese to Koboko. It's a small country. By flight, it's 45 minutes. On an Airbus, 30 minutes over Uganda. So the donors are putting pressure that the size of Parliament is too big. So for someone to come and tell people that they're creating a municipality in the gang, in Batoro, in Bade, in Amara, Goba, that's a big lie. Actually, I can bet they will never deliver. And you see, when you're in Acholi, you view Uganda only as Acholi. If they bring these three, what about the other municipalities around the country? We shall end up having a parliament of 1,000 members of parliament. So there is already donor pressure. So there is over-representation in parliament. I was telling earlier that if you are a youth of 19 years, you happen to be disabled, you happen to be a soldier, you happen to be female, and you happen to be working, you are represented by 5 MPs, by the youth MP, by the woman MP, by the MP for disability, by the MP for workers, by the MP for UPDF. One person has 5 MPs in that house. That is already a case of over-representation. For me, I have only 2 MPs. My MP, Honorable Christopher Komakega, and the woman MP. But some people have 5 to 7 MPs representing them in the house. So these municipalities will not come. There is a moratorium in Parliament, and the donors are putting pressure that the size of Parliament is too big. So maybe those MPs should tell us something else.